Okay. So let's see. If this car
Waka
make it
Ali.
up.
I'll tell you where it's from. Africa. That's from where Ebola comes. West side. It's in the suitcase.
But
2 days later, it
as you can
lands
see,
in
the
USA. I get
remote.
it from my girlfriend and give it to
Yeah.
my dad. I catch it on the subway
That's
and
the
leave it in the
diff-lock
cab.
button,
I eat it at Subway.
I'm just
drink
gonna
at
click it,
Starbucks. Ebola's everywhere,
put it
and I
back.
give no fucks.
There's the blocks on.
It's
So
bad.
now let's see.
Ebola's gonna kill us all
This
day.
forward.
Day, man. How this happened? Gotta make sure that nobody else gets it. I'm sorry, but I have it and you have it, or you'll get it. So forget it, don't sweat it, just let it be. I'm telling you, Ebola's not
As you can see, never made it up there because I hit that rock.
And you have Ebola.
So yeah, round 2.
And we have Ebola. Everybody has Ebola. Selena has Ebola. Justin has Ebola. Taylor has Ebola. Jesus has Ebola. Ebola.
Made it up as a part.
Has Ebola.
So the next one is trying to get up that.
Just go with it, bro.
Don't think it will.
Airports.
Probably will with the
Check
flock
these
on.
blacks.
So
He
let's
have
see.
Ebola, so send them back. In fact, keep an eye on the black eyed peas. Mostly black and guy. Don't worry about peas. And the Cosbys could have Ebola. Also Oprah. Let's just close up Detroit till this crisis is contained. Don't let the Obamas on the plane. Cause they black. They could have Ebola. Might as well also watch for A-Rab. If they have a brown face, we'll keep them safe in Guantanamo Bay. I'm sorry everybody for the drama, but we're gonna get Ebola. Let black people in. Ebola's not a country in Africa, it's the whole continent. I have Ebola. You have Ebola. Obama has Ebola. Kanye has Ebola. Will Smith has Ebola. Tupac has Ebola. Steve Harvey has Ebola. Magic Johnson has Ebola. And Dane City and Biggie and Jay-Z and Nas have Ebola.
Made it up as a
Stephanie
part.
DJ and
So
Jimmy
guys,
Gibbler
thank you for
have
watching.
Ebola.
Let me go
Every
recharge
shady
the
little
battery
village in
and see what will happen next.
has
Okay,
Ebola.
thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Thank you. Bye. Here's one more photo of it.